Right, so welcome to our how-to guide on how to activate and deactivate the child lock function, which disables the top panel from any interruptions. Right, so when the machine is started, some changes can be made. Now, the program setting can't be changed. This is very normal. But sometimes these options can be changed. So we're just going to test now, see what we can change. Very interesting. So we can't select any of these options, but we can switch it off and we can pause it. But when it's paused, we can now also change some settings. We can't add options, but we can increase the spin speed and we can change the temperature too. And we can still turn it off, which disrupts cycle. So if you want to disable these buttons, you can press and hold the extra rinse and the pre-wash option together for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. So when it's activated, in the display here, you have, we've now got 2 icons here. This lock means that the door is locked. And this lock means that it's the child lock, or shall I say, the control panel lock. So now, let's see what we can and can't activate. So, start pause. But on off can still be changed. However, it looks like that when the machine switched back on, it just continues. So to deactivate the child lock function, we have to press and hold the extra rinse and the pre-wash setting together for 3 seconds. Our little icon's gone out, and now we can press start pause. And that's it. We can now change the cycle. If we can now turn it off and reset the cycle to whatever we want when the door's unlocked. Right, thank you for watching this video. I hope this has helped you to use this at home. I've been Witch Watching and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye for now.